Okay guys, once you have created the stock GRN, then we have to move finance. You can see in the menu finance, go to the finance, and the second one account payable for making a purchase invoice. Third one is purchase invoice, click on it. Perfect. When the purchase invoice appear on a screen, click on add button, then select the document type, invoice type. If you are making a purchase invoice directly, then you have to DI invoice select, and we are making the purchase invoice for supplier, so we have to select vendor invoice document type, then select the supplier international textile, then select the purchase order which we have recently created, and then go GRN number. Previously we have created the GRN, select, once you select the GRN, then you can see the grids appear on your screen which we have recently created in our GRN and purchase order. The data is coming from the GRN. We put the 10 bags, and each grid you also see the actual quantity 20 and 10. You can edit over here. Click on save, then select the supplier over here, international textile. Put the narration. If you want to put any narration, you can put in this column. For example, oh sorry, I just put the number over here. This is our amount. For example, purchase raw material. Okay, then click on save button, or right over here, right corner, save button, click on it. That's perfect. You can update your account codes over here for GL. It will directly impact your GL. You can update the account codes over here. For example, we are making the purchase invoice, so I'm going to select an invoice payable. Put the narration, purchase raw material, department is necessary. You have to open the department and cost center, then the department and cost center will appear on your screen, and update the amount. Select the transaction type, debit, click on save button. That's great. We have did our 4 grids. Now if you have supplier invoice available, you can put over here. For example, your supplier give you any invoice number, you can put. You must remember to update the current status in each and every document. Release for approve. If any information remaining, you can leave in process also. Select the authorized person, admin. Okay, fine. I think each and every information I have updated in each column, nothing left. Then click on the save button. You must remember to confirm. We have successfully created our invoice. Invoice number 1. If you want to find and see what you have made it or created in your purchase invoice, click on find button right over here on left side top corner. Click on it. First you have to select invoice type. For instance, document type, vendor invoice. Select right over here, click search button. That's great. Then recently made it invoice appear on your screen. You can see it. We have recently created this invoice. Current status approved. Fiscal year. Click on action button if you want to see and review the invoice. We are on find mode. Okay, all information are perfectly put in each column. As you can see, we have successfully created our purchase invoice. Next, document. Once you successfully created the invoice, then you have to make a payment voucher